yours first. Let's explore. Good morning, world. The world is sleeping first thing in the morning. That twig fell down in the middle of the night while I was walking and scared the life out of me. Beautiful early morning drone flight down on the beach. Morning. And yeah, people arriving for a walk. We only have a second cup of coffee. So asking you how you're finding the kitchen. Not a good
small,
time?
but it's alright.
I mean, it does everything it needs to, really, doesn't it?
It does, yeah.
Plenty of storage, really.
Yeah, really. There is. And you got good size fridge for the two.
Yeah. It's a shame the water's not working.
No, that's the biggest letdown. It's a pain to wash up without water.
So because the water isn't working, we ended up buying a little collapsible bowl, and it's brilliant. I know why they're becoming more and more available all the time. It's so convenient, packs down flat. Brekkie with a view. So, what did you think of Mystery Bay, Phil?
Loved it. Loved it. It was a beautiful spot.
Don't need to look at the camera when you drive it, thanks.
Yeah, no, it was a lovely spot. Really enjoyed Mystery Bay.
Would you go again?
Yeah, definitely.
I got to say, waking up to being able to pull the curtain and just see the beach was so lovely. And I actually had a bit of a sleepless night. And even looking out at night, I could see the stars, and I could even see a little bit from the beach even at night. It was absolutely lovely. Mystery Bay, about 10 k's out of Narooma. It is a council run site, so you do need to book, or they do have an honesty system, and it cost us $26 for the night. No power. Water was a bit questionable, drop toilets, easy walk to the beach. If you're enjoying today's video, don't forget to hit the like. This is Narooma Surf Beach. Belching on the sand. A bit rough out there. So this is Narooma Information Centre. got a lighthouse museum. So the chick on the phone I think is the Tourist Information Centre person, but this is a lighthouse. Remember we saw the flag station at Benboyd? That would be the flags. If you use your imagination, you can see this is actually a map of Australia. I think Narooma's pushing that boundary a little bit, but it's pretty cool. It's close. And we're going to find some seals resting on the rocks. I'm playing in the water. And over there.
We're shutting down our minds. We just want to feel that rush.
There's the tripod today.
Losing track of time, but that's so typical of us.
We got a good spot here. We just have come back from seeing the seals, so all that footage is right at the end of the breakwater. You sort of need to go down this road that says no through road, but well worth it because all of those little friends will be frolicking or resting or giving you some sort of entertainment. Just above the seals where they were frolicking is a lookout, so we're going to go and have a look down onto the breakwater. The seals are on the other side of that break wall, that first break wall. There's the Australia rock down there. Doesn't look anywhere near quite so ferocious, but you can see all the way up the coast. Across the inlet, all the way over there is a lighthouse. Lovelocks everywhere. Even a problem in Narooma, New South Wales. That lighthouse I pointed out is on Montague Island. Is this where the manta rays are?
Yeah, yeah. You know what happens? They go up and down. Every 15 minutes they still.
Yeah. Probably really need the How long is it? Probably missed it, but this seal just had food and was thrashing it around, hence why he's got all these birds around come to join in.
I like Cormorants.
Yeah, it's all gone. You can't yell at him if he's eaten it all. Oh, they're quite big, aren't they?
We're going the right way for him to get closer. He's moving away from him, but
well, that was my first attempt at underwater. My action got fully immersed in water, in salt water. Malua Bay is just outside of Bateman's Bay, and we're actually basing ourselves at a friend's place with views over the ocean for the next couple of nights, and are actually not staying in the van but staying with them so we can hang out with them and enjoy their company. Still to come, we feed some deers at a very nice wildlife park. We go in hunt of some dolphins. Phil cooks more food, and we have an amazing time as we discover this coast. So join us for more of our South Coast van life adventure. Don't forget to hit that like button and check us out on social. Until next time, travel brilliantly. Bye.